Hey guys, Dan here, still a knothead. Hey, I heat my shop with a wood stove, and it had wooden handle on the door, and well, this is the handle. You can see it's pretty charred up, and as you might guess, probably it has some cracks in it. You probably can't see them. I don't know if you can or not. But yeah, whenever I open the door to put wood in, pops right off on me. Not a good situation. So I need a new handle. Am I gonna go buy one? No. Come on. I'm gonna make one. You wanna see how I did it? Hey, stick around. Check it out. Well, I started my prep off camera. I started by taking a piece of wood that was a branch from a hickory tree my parents had taken down a couple of years ago, and it had a crotch. Actually, had a crotch on the end where another branch split off. So I decided that would be pretty cool to have, and I took that to the bandsaw, just cut the end off of it, a little longer than I needed for the blank, and just kind of rounded that off a little bit as best I could before I took it to the lathe. Then I went and I mounted on the lathe and did this.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, as you saw, that probably could have gone a little bit more smoothly for me. I am not an experienced turner, but you know, this was a fun little exercise. Get some practice. It certainly didn't come out the way I had originally planned, but I got a usable piece out of it ultimately. The catches were probably a combination of my inexperience, and I've heard that hickory can be some ornery stuff to work with. So I'm sure that probably wasn't working in my favor, but I did get a piece out of it. You can see here, I don't know if you can see, but I got some cool crotch grain out of it. You see right here, there's a bit of pith in the side of the blank, kind of cool. Hopefully that'll be fairly stable, but this will work out. I already tried to fit it on the handle and fits really well, and once it warms up here, it's 30 degrees in my shop right now, hence the big jacket. Once it warms up a little bit, I'll put some epoxy on in here and epoxy it right to the latch on the wood stove. So I hope you like this. It was a fun project for me, a little challenging, a little frustrating, but you know, if we're not challenging ourselves, what are we doing in the wood shop? So if you liked it, hit that thumbs up, and you know, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Hey, what do you heat your shop with? I'd like to know. Let me know in the comments down below. All right. Until next time, we'll talk to you.